Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. Going to do some Posca art today. I'm going to use Link from the Legend of Zelda as my subject material. And if you came here on the short video that I did while filming this video, I appreciate you clicking the link and coming on over. We're doing a painting of Link from the Legend of Zelda, as I mentioned. First thing I like to do is lay down the largest base colors. One of the things that happens when you use Posca markers is you got to wait for the paint to dry. I'm not trying to do any mixing, just solid colors layered on top of each other. So I always lay down the biggest base color. You also have to let the paint dry before you run your hand over the paper because it will smear. So you kind of got to let it dry. So there's a little bit of waiting involved when you're using Posca markers. So I'm using watercolor paper. I'm using the medium-sized Posca pens, but I didn't have all the colors. I need some more skin tones because I don't really have a good shadow area for the skin. I actually had to use brown as the hair cast shadow on the right side of the face. What I usually do is just tend to paint the larger color areas first. So we've got the yellow blonde hair, we've got the skin color, the green tunic, of course, and then I start layering in the darks and the lights, areas of shadow, a couple of highlighted areas. Luckily, I have some lighter color green, so that was able to show some areas where the light was hitting, like on the collar and the top of the hat. So one of the final things I do after I've got all the colors, shadows, and highlights in is I will go back with the black marker and start inking the lines of the drawing. So I actually have 3 line weights of black, very fine tipped, which is for the fine detail like hair and eyes and some fine detail like that. Then I've got a medium range, which is for internal lines that I just want to have a thicker line. And then the outline of the perimeter of the drawing I like to highlight with the thickest black marker, and it gives a real bold kind of look to the overall drawing. So that's how I do Posca markers. Hope you enjoyed following along with this Link Posca marker drawing. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Have a great day.